Hello guys, so if your Marvel Rivals is stuck on the loading screen and you're looking for solutions, so in this video I'm going to tell you about some solutions or methods that you can try to fix your issue. So first of all, you'll have to go to your library and find Marvel Rivals, right click on it, go to properties, and then go to install files and then press this verify integrity of game files. So after pressing this, Steam will verify your game files and see if anything's the issue or not. If they find an issue, it will be fixed. After that, what you can do is you can go to your desktop and find your Marvel Rivals shortcut. So suppose this is my Marvel Rivals shortcut. What you'll have to do is you'll have to right click on it and then go to properties and then go to compatibility, and then you can take these two options, which are disable full screen optimization and run this program as administrator mode. So simply press apply and OK and see if your issue is fixed or not. Another thing that you can try to do is to uninstall Rivertune. So to do that, you'll have to go to control panel and then you can see here programs and uninstall a program. Press on uninstall a program, and from here you'll have to search for Rivertuner and simply uninstall it, because it sometimes clashes with the Marvel Rivals application. So after that, what you can simply do is to allow see if your Marvel Rivals is allowed on your firewall. So to do that, search for simply write allow an app through Windows Firewall on your search tab, and then what you'll have to do is you'll have to see if Marvel Rivals is allowed through your public and private network or not. So if you cannot find it here, what you'll have to do is you'll have to add the Marvel Rivals. So to do that, press change settings, and then if you don't find it here, press allow another app, and then you'll have to copy and paste the path that your Marvel Rivals is installed in, and then simply press add, and then you will have to simply tick this private and public network allowance. So try all these methods and hopefully your issue would be solved. That is all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.